Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a videographer and editor here at Insight Creative Group. I'm currently packing up some gear to head to Philadelphia for a client shoot. I just want to go over what I'm taking with me, why, and the cameras we rented for this shoot. The first camera is the FX30 from Sony. I'm a big Sony guy. I've been a big Sony guy for a long time. Shout out Jason Mortimer, who's the reason I'm a Sony guy. They've, to me, changed the game with mirrorless cameras and continue to push what cameras are capable of. We also bought some Metabones adapters so that we can get our Canon EF mount lenses on this. We have Rokinon lenses, we have the Zine models, but we really love our lenses, and it was important to me to be able to save some cash too. Instead of renting some of the awesome Sony lenses, we decided to rock one of these. We also have this great handle. It's a hot shoe mount that allows me to take XLR audio in. This is so smooth. This is my first time getting to play with one of these. This just works. Like, there's no setup, there's no like, oh, go change audio input. It just works right off the bat. Awesome. That's the first camera we're gonna take with us with the Rokinon lens, Zine edition, and Metabones adapters to be able to use it. The next camera we're gonna take with us is my personal one. It's the Sony a7 III. This camera's a little old now, but I still think it is prime top of the market situation here. And I have a Sigma 24-70 art lens attached to it. This is my everyday. This is the camera I use every day on shoots, whether I'm doing photo or video. I've had one of these with me, or an iteration of it, for the whole damn near 10 years plus of my career. Some other things we're gonna take with us. So my big key light will be the Aperture 300. The reason we're taking a 300 and not a 600 is it's just more friendly to travel with. We are flying on a plane with all of our gear, so we had to really pack down for this. One of the other kind of like tricks that we're using to get all the gear there is actually a travel golf bag. For those of you who are uninclined, the golf bag, when you travel, goes into a secondary golf bag to protect the clubs in the bag, which is the silliest thing you've ever heard, but it's actually being super useful to hold tripods, light stands. And the other thing is great, it has these internal locking systems on the inside that are actually allowing me to really make sure the tripod and the stands are kind of secure and not jumbling around, hopefully keeping anything from breaking while we're flying. Make sure you're following me and Insight Creative Group on all of the social channels for more videos like this. Thanks. That whole thing probably wasn't in focus.